What if I told you you had 10 clients that wanted to hire you in the next 90 to 120 days, but they're not sitting on a Zillow lead pool. They're not coming from an autoresponder. They're not coming from your website, cold calling, door knocking, AI, or any other type of prospecting. They're actually already sitting in your phone, but they're being ignored more than the turn back the clock emails you send out. For some reason, many real estate agents are told to go out and chase a bunch of strangers, sit open houses, prospect, buy leads, and focus their lead generation efforts on people they don't even know versus concentrate on the ones they already do. We think that just one more open house or one more phone call, that you're just one more no away from your next yes, right? And meanwhile, Jane, who you sold a house to 4 years ago, just relisted with cousin Billy, who just got his real estate license because she forgot that you're even still a realtor. Over the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you how and where the high producing agents are racking up their 20, 30, and even 50 plus deals a year, all without cold calling, all without corny scripts, or acting like a door knocking telemarketer. The reality is that they're not lead generating, they're relationship activating. My name is Mike Cuevas, I'm your marketing dude, and I've helped hundreds and hundreds of agents and lenders and people within the real estate industry attract more business from the people they already know without picking up the phone, without cold calling, or out doing the things that, to be honest, we don't like doing. The reality is that most agents don't have a referral marketing strategy to stay in front of the people they already know, including their past clients. And that is one of the reasons why 80% or 4 out of 5 agents fail within 5 years in this business. The vast majority of transactions, to the tune of 70%, are not coming from strangers or people you don't know. They're coming from the people you already do through the form of referral, repeat business, or personal relationships. Most of us, we chase the shiny objects that they promise the moon. Zillow leads, CRMs they don't use, or focusing on that one perfect script for the Facebook funnel that you never ran ads to. But let's be real. The leads and the inquiries that come off of those efforts, they're colder than your last client's stepdad at your home inspection. At the end of the day, people don't hire agents they don't know, like, or trust. They hire the ones they have a personal relationship with, or they're referred to. And if your relationships forget that you're an agent, well, how are they gonna send you referrals or repeat business? And this is why you need a system. One that builds a brand and keeps your name top of mind without always having to feel like you're selling something. I'm talking about creating content and putting that content from the people you already know. The content that actually will build a brand, keep you in conversation with your entire Rolodex of relationships. This is the exact frequency of touch points we use each month. We take a systematic approach to consistently video emailing, creating consistent social media content, and even sending physical direct mail to my entire sphere of influence database each and every month. This is why it works. About 9 to 10% of the people that see your content, well, they're gonna be moving this year. That's a mathematical fact. But at the same time, 100% of the people that see your content, they know someone that they can refer you to. And that's because over 70% of business doesn't come from strangers. It comes from the people you already know, as is evidenced by NAR right here. This is the exact process I implement with agents to make sure people stop forgetting they're in real estate and turn them into referral sources instead. The first step is you gotta commit to creating content that actually reflects who you are. People can see your face, hear your voice, or catch out sort of how you roll, what your vibe is. Well, they're not gonna remember you. But number 2 is that you wanna mix in storytelling. You can talk about lifestyle, you can talk about community-driven content, because your content, it doesn't need to sell real estate. It needs to remind people that you sell real estate. And number 3, then you need to do it consistently. This is exactly why we take this 3-prong approach: video, email, direct mail, and social media touches each and every month. See, in this approach, we're not fighting for leads, we're fighting for the attention. We're fighting for the attention of the relationships of the people you already know. When you can effectively do this, you will transform all of them into your referral source, because the vast majority of business in real estate comes from referrals and relationships, not complete strangers. If you like the content you saw here, to check out more, visit our website, visit our YouTube channel, or check out our service, Sphere. We help you touch your sphere of influence 60 plus times a year without you having to lift a finger. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.